How to make garlic oil for hair growth. You can easily prepare garlic oil at your home without any extra effort. Half bowl of organic coconut oil. 7 to 8 cloves of peeled fresh garlic. Add the coconut oil to a pan and heat it. Add all the garlic cloves and let them boil with coconut oil for 10 to 12 minutes. Let all juice of garlic mix with coconut oil, and after 10 minutes off the flame. Strain the oil into another bowl and let it cool for a while. You can store this oil into a container or make it fresh whenever needed. How to use garlic oil for hair growth. Use your hands and apply garlic oil to the root scalp, and massage well for 10 to 15 minutes. Cover the whole area of your hair and leave it for an hour or at least 45 minutes. After that, wash your hair with a mild shampoo. One can also use a conditioner but not needed, as coconut oil works as a natural conditioner. Repeat the process twice a week for the best results. Garlic for hair benefits. Garlic is rich in minerals such as calcium and zinc. These nutrients aid in the growth of healthy hair. Promote hair's health. Raw garlic includes plenty of components and antioxidants that remove all the impurities, bacteria, and dust from your hair and promote hair health. If your hairs are thin, rough, and dull, you must use this remedy as it will provoke all the needed factors and make your hair shinier, thicker, and healthy. Removes dandruff. Garlic and coconut oil both have antibacterial and antimicrobial properties, and both are great for reducing inflammation and itchiness. After mixing them, you will double the benefits. Garlic oil kills all the bacteria and germs that cause hair issues and dandruff. It makes your scalp healthy and clean, that plays a vital role in healthy hairs. Improves blood circulation. Proper blood circulation is required for healthy hairs and proper nourishment of your hair.